Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a folder to the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a folder that could contain videos, photos, documents, or any other information. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Click on this, enter to open up the web browser. Now let's go to office.com. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to applications, more applications. Let's then go to OneDrive. Let's then go within admin, go to my files. And now what we will do is minimize Google Chrome for the moment. And now let's turn the attention to our desktop where we have the folder called Folder. If we click on this, it should open up within Finder. And here we have the information such as photos, videos, and documents that we will be uploading to the cloud storage. So let's now quit Finder, go all the way down to the dock, go back to Google Chrome. Now let's click on Add New Folder Upload. This will take us directly to the desktop. Click on Folder, and now we can upload 3 files to the site. This will upload all files from folder. Only do this if you trust the site. Yes, we do. Click on Upload. And there we are. Here we have that folder that is called Folder just for this tutorial. Click on this. The image, the document, and the video all uploaded to cloud storage. So we can now quit Google Chrome. We can delete the folder that was created and uploaded. Command and delete. Go to the bin and empty bin. Yep. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.